Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you list important updates about Vita Coin, its price prediction this year, Mega Balloon, and its Binance listing there. Is it possible that this meme coin can be the next listing for Binance because it's another BNB ecosystem meme coin? 3 years old BNB ecosystem meme coin and it's still live in crypto market, it's still trading, volume is good. So is it possible the Vita coin can be the next 1000x potential here or not? So video is be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. Friends, Vita coin current price is 7 times $1. So you can see the recent market crash. This meme coin is barely dumped here, 44% dump, 36% dump in last 30 days. Current market cap right now only 9.7 million. So right now Vita is in massive dip. Already hit I think 40 to 50 million dollars market cap few months ago when crypto market was bullish. But right now you can see friends, market cap is only 9.7 million, 2.5 million trading volume in last 24 hours. So still as I already told you, trading volume is very good. You can see BNB ecosystem meme coin Binance Alpha Spotlight means that Binance listing is possible. You can see friends, 4 months ago Vita was in its all-time high. There was 0.7 times $7, 85% down there. 3 years old meme coin. You can see as I already told you that this meme coin is not a newly launched but almost 4 years old meme coin. We are 256% up in its all-time low. So this performance is good because since the last 4 years this meme coin is active in crypto market and still trading, volume is good, survive many bear markets in this meme coin. So this is good. Gate.io, MEXC, Bybit, and KuCoin exchange has listed. Hotcoin has listed already. Ucent like listing for Vita coin, so this is no doubt very good. Okay, and already Ucent like maybe some more cent like exchanges can also list this coin. And friends, you can check out all further details here on their website. So website also looking very good. The OG meme coin of BSC since 2021. I'm also holding this coin since 2021. I remember I buy this meme coin in previous period and I'm still holding this coin because I buy this coin at wrong time. That's why I'm holding this coin since 2022's bear market and still I'm holding this coin. And I think we can see its major central exchange listing this year. After that, definitely I'm going to sell this coin. But when I will achieve my targets, I will show you later that what is my target, what's my market cap prediction for Vita coin, where I will sell Vita coin. Okay, you can see Bybit is a major central exchange. KuCoin has already listed this coin. And friends, is the Baby Dogecoin that was on other BNB ecosystem meme coin, BSC ecosystem meme coin listed on Binance last year. So it's definitely possible the Vita Inu coin can be the next listing for Binance also, but not soon because right now its market cap is way below, just 9.7 million. Maybe when crypto market will again recover, then we can see maybe listing on Binance too. Circulation supply, you can check out all further details here, is all news here. And I think friends, 10% supply is also burned. Vita Inus coin burning are still continue here. Time to time they are burning their tokens, so this is good. 68,794 holders for this meme coin. So number of holders no doubt very good friends. 68,000 holders are good. Bybit is the highest holder of this meme coin. 35% supply is on Bybit and MEXC holding 14% supply, 5% supply on Gate.io. So this is really good friends, that is highest holding is on central exchanges. You can see KuCoin, Gate.io. Top 10 wallets are, I think 5 wallets are central exchanges wallets. Okay, out of 10, top 5 wallets are central exchanges wallet. They are holding okay more than I think 50% of supply, more than 50% supply. So this is good. There's no any value issue because they are central exchanges. Okay, they are not wells. Friends, before further details about Vita coin, before Vita coins price prediction, if you still not join my Telegram channel yet, you can also join my Telegram channel. I provide you my Telegram channel link in description. You can also join where you can get all other cryptocurrencies updates here. So you can also check out my Telegram channel. Friends, now my price prediction about Vita coin is that as this current market cap just 9.7 million, but friends, because this is 4 years old meme coin and is still active in crypto market. $2.4 million trading volume in last 24 hours. So this is no doubt very good. And BNB ecosystem meme coin, recently we see many BNB ecosystem meme coin listing on Binance, just like Komainu, just like Mubarak, just like Broccoli, and Baby Dogecoin, and many other meme coins. But friends, it's possible that this meme coin can be next listing for Binance also. No doubt this market right now is very low at this market, current market. This meme coin is not going to list on Binance, but definitely when crypto market will again recover, when we see a massive boom for meme coins in crypto market, at that time, if this meme coin can achieve 40 to 50 million dollars market, then definitely it's possible that we can see its listing on Binance. And my price prediction is around 1 to maybe $3 billion. It's really possible that this meme coin can give us maybe 100 300x profit. Okay, because right now we have only 9.7 million market. If it goes up to 1 billion, there will be exactly up to 90x from here. And when up to $3 billion market, there will be almost 300x from here. And it's really possible that we can see Vitainu from just 9 million market to 1 to $3 billion market in this year's super cycle meme coins mega bull run.